I'm Dale from Springfield, Ohio. I'm here working on the pilot's floor installation, and I'm going through the list of parts that we need or that we already have. And all the highlighted parts are the parts that go inside the floor for the pilots. And what I'm doing is verifying on a sheet of paper what we do have, what we don't have, and I verify through the sheet. I go through the prints, and starting here from station 3 to 3A, I go through and I mark down all the parts that I find and where they go between 3 and 3A. I verify the parts, I write them down, I find out that if they're on this airplane or another airplane, then I go from 3A to B and go down and mark all my parts. And then I have to verify whether I have them or we have to make those, because some of this airplane is already put together. And I wasn't in on that part of the assembly, and we're just verifying to make sure we have all of our parts together. And then we go from there.
Okay, so have you had to make some parts?
Not yet, no. We installed the columns, which the columns were already here, all the torque tubes, all the bearings, and all that stuff. We got all that together, and then we went from there, and then we started working on the prints and got us a plan together, like I said, to verify whether we had the parts or we don't have the parts. And then we start assembly once we get them all made.